bes sa Ganong Kawi. Temple na tayo ngayon para sa last day natin sa Ubod. So nakasarang ulit po tayo mga bes dahil temple ang ating pinasukan. Ayan. Sarang. Wala tayong alam sa temple na to. Ikutin na lang natin siya for video.
Go totally inside. Yeah, that's true. We can walk. Yeah, we can walk.
So yun mga bes, kapag pumunta ka dito sa loob ng temples nila, pwede kang, hindi naman maligo, pero to wash, para ma-wash yung sins mo. I guess based dun sa mga sinabi ni Kuya sa loob. Next stop is the coffee plantation. This is Bali Polina. Ito nga pala yung mga luwak, mga best.
They will choose the best coffee.
So they only feed on one kind of coffee, or
the animal, and there is beans in the box.
they feed on how many kind of coffee?
And where they
One
want
kind or two kind?
Because
Because they feed on Arabica, so do they feed on other things? Anything?
here just Arabica. This how looks it, yeah?
Yes.
And the ready one is red one, yeah?
Yeah. It's already.
Ayun mga best, yung mga luwak. Kakain sila ng coffee berries. Tapos yung dumi nila, parang magiging coffee beans na yung itsura.
So this one is the fruit from Lemon.
Yeah.
After we
More
collect
beans,
from the
yeah?
page, yes, we wash first by the hot water, and then we take the shell off to get the bean inside, and then we dry again. We dry this coffee and we're roasting over there to make the dark color.
What's the name of the
Beans? Arabica or
Arabica coffee, but it's already processed with the animal, so we call the white coffee. Stir here. It's 45 minutes.
how much?
45 minutes.
45 minutes, yeah?
And the color of the coffee changes dark brown.
You ground it here?
Yes.
And no machine?
No, we use the manual process. And would you like to smell it?
Yeah.
You're not doing it right.
Thanks, man.
So mga best, may pa-taste test si Mayor for 400 pesos.
For lemon tea.
Can I check?
For lemon tea, I guess I've been seeing it in many other countries, no?
They have from many countries, but I don't
Still
know.
also Balinese, yeah?
I like the lemon tea.
Yeah, I also like.
You
Can
can order if you want.
Yeah, lemon tea looks nice. But this to ginger, I
First
don't like
is
much
lemon
ginger.
tea.
But what means ginger tea? We just put ginger inside.
inside.
Yeah,
tea.
it's it's not about the tea. They could get some simple tea and put ginger.
Yeah,
aside,
yeah,
So
yeah.
ginger tea.
Next one is
But lemon tea, they put lemon inside.
I
Or-
think, yeah.
lemon. They
They put
boil it
lemon.
with lemon.
So they have like a pure tea.
Pure tea.
Yes.
Without lemon.
Without lemon, just lemon tea because you put lemon inside.
I mean,
Oh,
they
that is-
marinate the leaves in lemon.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, what's about the coffee next?
Chocolate
Chocolate coffee.
Chocolate coffee. I like
Yeah,
No.
chocolate.
ginseng coffee.
But ginseng. Yeah.
This
Yes.
one is ginseng coffee.
So you should like do
Like
it
this,
this way.
yeah.
Okay, this one is ginger. Yeah. Ginger. Spicy. You taste. So yung mga best, yun yung mga natikman natin tea and coffee here. So yung mag-CCR muna ako mga best. Samahan niyo ako mag-CR. So mga best, makikitulog tayo sa ating friend. Medyo social yung ating hotel ngayon. Kaya ipupush natin siya. So thank you sa ating friend. Ayun. Bukas na tayo uwi. Bye Bali. Thank you for letting me stay for a week. And I'll see you soon. Bye! So ayun mga guys, good morning. Pauwi na tayo. At sana hindi tayo malate sa airport. So, nandito na tayo sa airport at pauwi na tayo. Sad to go because I've met good friends there. But I will be back. So, I'll see you again, Bali. Nasa loob na tayo. We've just passed immigration. Sa lahat ng napuntahan nating bansa, dito lang sa Bali yung dadaan ka talaga sa loob mismo ng duty free, no? Kaya iba mapipilitan kang bumili dahil may nakita kang mura or something. Kasi usually nasa labas lang sila. Ay, natawa lang ako. Hindi na ako nag-video sa loob kasi ako'y gutom. Sana makahanap tayo dito ng murang pagkain, no, best. So, ayun mga best, boarding na. At haggard na tayo. Dito tayo naliligo pa, best. Gusto natin lagi na nagpapahuli tayo para hindi tayo nasistress pagpasok. Although hindi naman na tayo masistress kasi naka-check-in yung baggage natin. Dahil meron tayong dalang bagay na kakaiba.